Hey everyone, welcome back to NGF channel. MSI laptop is overheating, fans are super loud, FPS is dropping and laptop is turning off. Let's fix it step by step. First, power off the laptop completely. Remove the back panel screws carefully. Open by sliding plastic card across the back panel. Disconnect the battery. Remove the heat sink carefully. Checking for dust buildup in fan. Clean old thermal paste using isopropyl alcohol. Apply a small pea-sized amount of new high-quality thermal paste. Reinstall the heatsink evenly. Make sure screws are tightened in a cross pattern. Reinstall battery connection. Turn on the laptop. Huge improvement, better FPS and quieter fans. If you have questions about your specific MSI model, drop it in the comments and I'll help you out. If this video helped you fix your MSI laptop heating issue, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.